Whoa, that's a mouthful. Hey everybody, this is Eric for the Little Whitehouse, and today I just wanted to wish you guys a happy new year. We got dumped on. We got absolutely dumped on today. I was only expecting an inch or two of snow, and there's drifts that are up to like a foot and a half or two. But it got me to thinking, you know, it's a new year. Snow is fresh, covers up all the old and all the past. The past is gone in your life. So don't go back and dig it up and rehash it. Don't worry about it. The things that are past, you can't change them. Especially for those who are, you know, who suffer from either seasonal depression or chronic depression. You can't go back and change things. But you can make a choice today to go forward and make better choices. So make it a new year. Look to the future and make the best choices for yourself, for your family, for those around you, so that you can have a brighter life. Step out of the darkness and into the light. Anyway, once again, Happy New Year. It's not only a happy new year, but it's a happy new decade. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. We are also on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and LinkedIn. Whoa, that's a mouthful. And don't forget to check out the links below in the description box. We do have some links down there that might benefit you. Anyway, that's my 2 cents for the day. Thanks for watching. God bless, and see you next time.